flying along the coastline around Australia to keep that surveillance around the Australian borders.
I noticed there that the bottom bay doors are open on the P8 as it flies past the helicopter. P8 is basically a 737-800 fuselage, very heavily modified to include the weapons bay, underwing and under fuselage hard points for weapons, and increased strength and landing gear. 14 of these aircraft, based at number 11 of 292 squadrons, are RAF based at Edinburgh. Anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, maritime surveillance and search and rescue. Pretty much the same tasks that the MH-60 the Seahawk do.
And the Romeo helicopter operated by 816 Squadron and 725 Squadron, and with their weapon systems that they can have on board, they can have the AGM 114